Hey, what's up guys? So you have a Directv remote and you have an issue where it's not working. Maybe perhaps one button is not working or several buttons, or maybe even the power button is not working. I want you guys to try this first, okay? Now this is only going to work for 50% of you guys, but this is a super easy fix. So what I want you to do is go ahead and just pop the battery out of your remote. Then after you take the batteries out, what I want you to do is this, okay? Now if you're using one of these remotes, what I want you to do is just press the on, press and hold for 30 seconds. You have a remote like this where you have power button here and a power button here. I'm going to press and hold both buttons here. There's no battery in here. Press and hold these buttons for 30 seconds. After 30 seconds, go ahead and let go. And then what I want you to do is I want you to press every single button on here multiple times, okay? 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Do everything on here. Even on this remote here, volume up, channel up, down. Go ahead and keep playing with that, because what happens is a lot of times if you have one button that's stuck or jammed, or maybe it's sticky, drop some soda, or hand lotion, sweat, water got in there. If one button gets like dirt in there, it can cause all kinds of havoc on the other buttons as well. So keep doing this all over. Give it a couple bangs. And the same thing with this remote too, okay? You want to go ahead and press every single button on here multiple times. Just go crazy all over. You even want to switch this back and forth, switch that back and forth, and just keep going crazy. Give it a couple whacks. Now go ahead and put your batteries back in and then power on, and then see if your remote is working. Now if it's still not working, do the same thing, okay? Go ahead and pop the batteries back out again. Remember, press and hold the power button for 30 seconds, okay? This remote here, press and hold this for 30 seconds. You have a remote like this, press and hold the power on and the on over here. Press them both. Just hold it down for 30 seconds. After 30 seconds, let go. And of course the batteries are out. Start going crazy, okay? Start pressing every single button on here. Like I said, at least 50% of you guys are going to be up by the end of this video, okay? Keep doing that. Remember, give it a couple smacks here. Put the batteries back in. You don't have to put your back plate on yet. Just make sure that the remote is working. Anyway, if it didn't work for you, try it 4, 5, 6 more times, the same routine, and at least 50% of you guys should be up and running. So if this worked for you, give me a like. If it didn't work for you, give me a dislike so everybody can see. We should at least have a 50% thumbs up. All right, good luck.